In this video, we're gonna install speaker and amp kit on your G3. First, you're gonna remove the three 10mm nuts at the bottom of the seat. Once you get that removed, you're gonna get the speaker bracket and install that. You're gonna have 5mm Allen head bolts with 13mm nuts on the top. Once you get that tightened down, you're gonna grab your speaker, take off the plastic piece exposing the security T45 bolt in the back. Once you get that mounted and tight, just realign your speaker a little bit to straighten it out. And then you're going to install that plastic clip on the back of it to cover up that bolt. You're going to grab your amp kit and you're going to install your amp kit on the top two holes that are on the back of the seat. You're going to have 4mm Allen head bolts with 10mm nuts on the back that are going to hold it on there tight. Once you get that on there, you're going to separate your speaker wire and your power wires. Just kind of reorganize those. First, you're going to want to install the speaker wire, and you'll hear it like click in on the top of the speaker. We also put down towels to protect the fender from getting scratched when working on it. Once you get that installed, you're going to pull the power wire through the bottom holes on the amp box, connect your power wire, turn on the toggle switch, and connect your phone under Bluetooth. Thanks for watching.